Kiporia pinga shatwe Haba pikta snoki man
Khan arbor jing ignan pen pang Laj na phi men sim kablang
Naduk li haduk jad ya pinga pet yama Mutkli yo ping tre tangki kman ngan penhe Naduk li haduk jad ya pinga pet yama
Mutkli yo phim tre tangki khmat ngan penhe
Kang ubani kong ban raya kathang
Kang na ubar hima bang
Kang ha ubalai jingit ba pin a
Kang na ubasam kanyang la kadang
What's up everyone? Hello everyone, Meghalaya. Welcome back again, your African boys, with another suggested reaction or music video, guys. So today we are checking the music title is called, the first one, DOHKYNDANG. Music video, DJ Galaxez feat. Arman Disiar Ketis Disiar, Arjin, Kynter. Okay, so we are going to check them. It's our first time reacting to them, guys. So yeah, previous only we reacted to one famous guy, legend. It's called Unsan. Jale Jado, like that, something. It was funny, and we also reacted to Kong Crash, guys. Go and check all those reactions.
So funny.
Yeah, so funny. We really enjoyed. So many reactions out there. One bar, one jube. Check them out, guys. So we are going to check it out. Don't forget, if you love this guy, you love Khasi, you love Meghalaya, Shillong people, kindly subscribe. Very important. Put on there notification bell because we are going to react always to you guys. Love from Africa. Let's go. Yes, sir. Show us what you have. Show us the talent. The power is off here, guys. It's a little bit hot. DOHKYNDANG. Yes, DOHKYNDANG. Yes, lady.
Hey, she's beautiful.
She looks beautiful. Hey, so they are working in petrol bank. Hey, go, bro.
Oh.
I will go.
Yeah.
I will do it. Oh, first one. Number one. Only the first one, she came to success. On the second one, she ruled the kingdom. On the third one, she not love. Wait, man.
We need this boy.
What does he mean,
What
guys?
does he mean?
What does he mean?
What did he mean?
The first one, what?
Shankanda of success.
Yeah, she saw the success. The second one, she ruled the kingdom. She ruled the kingdom, and the third one, she will give the love. What does he mean by that? On the first one, second one, third one? Tell us, guys.
What did you mean, bro?
What do you
Exactly.
mean, bro? This Linda? It's like those BTS guys. Yeah, just Korean guys.
Yeah, Korean. Their time here.
We're done now. We're done with the BTS Korean ladies there, guys. So,
She's tall and
tall and slim and
Kadur jung phi tut phi bit yano Durkman jung phi kum mizo
like Korean girl, bro.
Unsin ya pinga shat ya kendo Mut ban kren ka met ka kyu
Nyuru ubas tang pen shobik marshinrang
Baro ki fel rem ka bet kum model
Usnyuru ubas tang pen shobik marshinrang
Baro ki fel rem ka bet kum model Jingi bang do kendang Jingi bang akum ka do kendang Jingi bang akum ka do
Yeah, he's
kendang
amazing, bro.
Guys.
This is the true, bro. Yeah.
At the first view, I thought this girl, she's a Korean man. When she was wearing like a cow lady.
She is skinny and
she's
tall,
so
bro.
skinny.
Yeah, I'm tall,
she's
bro.
so
like
tall.
Korean girl.
Yeah, like BTS.
Yeah.
Wow.
She's amazing. I will come to that place.
So beautiful, man.
He's criminal. Yeah, he's criminal, bro. Yeah.
Bro, don't do this.
I know your plan, bro. I know your plan. I know your plan, bro. I catch you. Oh. His plan is
Man
bro.
lagi poria pinga shatwen Haba pikta sngo man
We know that.
ผมขาดอาจบอร์จิงอีกนั้นเป็นเปล่าลาดหน้าพี่เหม็นซิมกับลาว
Ngadu kli haduk jad ya pinga pet ya ma Mut kli yo ping tre tangki kman ngan pen he Ngadu kli haduk jad ya pinga pet ya ma
หมดกะลียอพิมพ์เตรทั้งกี่ควัดเงินเป็นแห่
Kang ubani kong ban raya kathang
ตั้งเอาอุบาทฮีมาบัง
Yeah.
สิ
Rule the kingdom.
Kang ha ubalai jingit ba pin a
ตั้งเอาอุบาสาวกันยังลากาดาว
Now I go to
do
TV.
kendang
Yeah.
jing ibang do kendang jing ibang lakum ka do kendang jing ibang lakum
Jingy
ka do
Bangla. It's so
kendang
amazing it look. Jingy Bangla too.
jing ibang
So they were all dreaming.
ka do
Yeah.
kendang
Dream, man.
It is all a dream.
Yeah. Wake up, boy. Wake up.
So it is all a
Free,
dream.
free.
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 Bro. Wake up, bro.
She put it withdraw free, bro.
They get free.
Yeah, free.
What the hell? So
They
those-
said for her, go, free.
So
There.
all
What
those
about those?
it's a nice story, guys. It's a lovely story. Yeah, it's so amazing how I think the director of this song music video tell him that you are genius, bro. I love the way he directed the music video. It's so amazing, and the girl also featured in this video. She's so beautiful, guys. We
She's
love her.
amazing, really. She's
She's super
amazing.
beautiful. She
Yeah.
can be a model. She can be Miss Meghalaya or Miss Shillong.
Her type is nice, bro. She's not fat.
And you know
she's
what?
not-
What I like the most, like after all this saying that the guys were dreaming, Jingy Jangla Dong.
Jingy what?
It is so amazing that it looked what they were saying. Jingy Jangla like DOHKYNDANG. DOHKYNDANG. What does it mean, guys?
DOHKYNDANG.
Yeah, it's so amazing. The video is amazing.
So amazing.
And we love everything because subtitle is
The
provided.
views
right?
is nice, the lens,
Mhm.
camera
Yes,
is
yes,
nice.
yes. The video in general is
Dance, yeah.
it's nice, it's amazing. Like everything was done professionally. The place they recorded, the scenes, the dance. The guys also did so well, guys. Yeah, we love it, guys. It is so hot. The power just went off. We don't want to talk too much because we'll start sweating. But just know
Support us,
we
guys.
love
Don't
you
forget
guys.
likes, subscribe.
Don't
Yeah.
keep down. What does it mean? Don't
Write
keep down.
anything if you like the video, bro.
Don't forget subscribe. Put on the bell.
Yeah.
I'm from Africa.